Let's take a deep dive into the vast, mysterious fabric of the universe. Picture it, a dark, endless void stretching out in all directions, a place where time itself seems to be woven into the very threads of space. Our universe, our home, is something far more strange and mind-bending than we could ever imagine. Think about the beginning of everything, the Big Bang. In a moment of incomprehensible energy and heat, the universe burst into existence from nothingness, expanding outward into the vast cosmos we now know. But what is truly mind-boggling is the fact that this expansion is still happening, and not just at a slow, steady pace. The universe is growing faster and faster, racing into the unknown. Space isn't just getting bigger, it's stretching itself, like a balloon being blown up, pulling galaxies farther and farther apart. And the most bizarre part? There's no edge. The universe isn't expanding into anything, it's creating more space as it grows. Now let's zoom in. Picture yourself standing on Earth staring at the sky. You feel small, right? We are tiny specks in the grand scheme of the universe, but even within this grand scale, the universe has left us clues. Beautiful, intricate patterns that reveal a deeper truth. One of these patterns is the Mandelbrot set. At first glance, it seems like just a mathematical equation, but when you visualize it, it becomes something mesmerizing, a swirling, infinitely detailed fractal. No matter how much you zoom in on a Mandelbrot set, you keep finding new, smaller copies of the whole pattern. It's a shape without end, with infinite layers and complexity. The idea that infinity could be packed into such a simple equation is mind-blowing. In a way, the universe seems to be like that too. A fractal infinitely detailed at every level, from the vastness of galaxies to the tiniest particles. Just like the Mandelbrot set, the universe is filled with patterns that repeat, self-organize, and build upon each other. Stars cluster together to form galaxies, galaxies gather into clusters, and clusters form superclusters, all of them moving in the vast currents of space. It's like nature is writing with the same mysterious hand, whether it's forming the petals of a flower, the swirls of a hurricane, or the galaxies spiraling across the sky. But the mysteries go even deeper. Inside this expanding universe, there are rules and constants that seem almost too perfect. Consider the speed of light. Why does it have the precise value it does? Why does gravity, the weakest force, have such an important role in shaping the cosmos? Why is everything so fine-tuned for stars to form, for planets to orbit, and for life like us to emerge? It's as if the universe was written with a code, one that balances chaos and order in such a way that something as strange and wonderful as existence is possible. And yet this perfect balance gives rise to the strangest phenomena. Black holes, places where gravity becomes so strong that not even light can escape, bend space and time in ways we can hardly comprehend. The edges of black holes, known as event horizons, are places where time stops and space becomes infinite. Some scientists even believe that inside black holes, entire universes could be born. It's possible that our own universe could be the inside of a black hole in another universe, leading to an endless chain of universes within universes, just like the repeating patterns of the Mandelbrot set. Let's not forget the mysteries of quantum mechanics, the study of the tiniest particles in the universe. At the quantum level, reality itself becomes strange. Particles can exist in two places at once, or disappear and reappear somewhere else faster than the speed of light. The famous double-slit experiment shows that particles behave differently just because they're being observed. In a way, the universe seems to know when we're watching. This hints at a deeper connection between consciousness and reality itself, as if the universe is somehow interacting with our awareness. And then there's dark matter and dark energy, the invisible forces that make up most of the universe. We can't see them, and we don't really know what they are, but they're there, shaping the cosmos. Dark matter holds galaxies together, while dark energy drives the universe's expansion. Together, they account for over 95% of everything, and yet we know so little about them. It's as if the universe is keeping secrets from us, hiding its true nature in the unseen. So when you look up at the stars, remember this: you are staring into something far stranger than you can imagine. We live in a universe that's expanding, filled with hidden forces, governed by mysterious patterns and possibly even infinite in its depth. Our existence itself, this fragile life on a tiny planet orbiting an ordinary star in a galaxy among trillions, feels like a cosmic miracle. As you lie down, close your eyes and let your thoughts drift. Imagine the patterns of the Mandelbrot set, repeating forever, much like the universe itself, spiraling in infinite complexity. Imagine the stars, galaxies and black holes, all part of this vast, unknowable cosmos, stretching beyond anything we can fully understand. And remember that in a strange and beautiful way, you are a part of this endless story. A story of time, space and the infinite mysteries that lie within. In the end, we may never fully grasp the secrets of the universe, but we are here, floating in the midst of it all, part of something so grand and so mysterious that it feels like a dream. Let that thought carry you into sleep, with the universe itself as your companion.